Hi, this is Ali Muhammad from Kentico, and today we will talk about routing and handling error 404. In the documentation here, we will follow up how we will create the handling. Um, but first, I want to talk about 2020. Kentico 2020 will be released in September 2020. However, the beta it's already there, and auto routing it's already in the beta, and you can test it. But still, if you new to routing, it's better to watch this video to have a knowledge how you can create custom routing if you want to go behind the Kentico routing. And after they release the final version, I will create another video display the auto routing. Now in the project we was working in it. Okay, anytime you create Kentico project, you will have routing config. I changed it, the routing config to be by default. Okay, it will check the language because we are creating multi-language site. If you don't need it, you can use this code. Okay, same but without the language culture, without the culture. Okay, but because we use multi-support and multi-language support, I will add the culture. Okay, now what I am saying, by default, if you don't have the culture and you don't have the control and you don't have the action, the page, make it and change it to be English home index. Now if I go and open our page, what we will see is I have not write anything, but it will go for the home page and the language will be English. Okay, if I want to move for another page, it will go directly by the language by default. It will be English. If you see in the corner there, uh, already it changed to English without adding it manually in the layout. In the layout, if I go for the layout, okay, what I will see here, it will take the index and will change it to automatically to English. Okay, if I am in the Arabic, it will go for the Arabic. However, if I want to handle, sometimes maybe somebody will go for the store and I write directly store, okay, URL without the language. What will happen? If I remove the language, okay, and I go for the store, it will fail. What I can do, okay, is to in routing config add the main names what I am thinking they will type, okay, and I will handle it like that. When I will refresh, okay, I need to build it first. After I finish building, I will go and refresh it. Sometimes you can handle and see what names usually they type. Maybe somebody type store with S, okay, you can handle it, you can add it and handle it like that. Okay, now let's go directly to the store. Okay, if somebody writes something wrong, you don't know what he means. Okay, you don't want to default him for another page. You want to default him for and don't found page. Okay, message to him this error not this page not found, and go back for the home page example. Okay, what we need to do is to go for the global. Okay, I will go for the global. I already have add the code. Okay, you will copy this all and you will add it to the global. After that, you will go for the, you will create routing. Okay, control. I have create control and I name it HTTP error controller, and I have create page inside folder. I created in the view. I name it HTTPS. Okay, HTTP error. Inside it, page not found. After I created, okay, the controller, I have changed the from index to not found, and I registered the error. After I finish and replace the error, okay, we need to go to the web config. Okay, this the web config, the main web config, and we have this code. I will replace it here. But it's very important to know you need to add it under system dot web server under the configuration. You have another one here. If we go here, you will find system dot web config. Okay, but it's not under the config direct. It's under location. And you need the directory under the configuration. If you put it here, it will not work. You need to add it here. After you save it, um, you can just refresh the page. Yes, after you add this one, you need, before you add this code, you need to handle here. Okay, you need to handle in the routing table. Okay, in configuration, we have add this code. Without this one, sometimes it will not work. Okay, now I write anything, it will get me to not found. Okay, if I put like that, it will not give me the regular message. It will give me not found the page. I can come here in the layout and change and write everything I want. I can put picture, URL to the home page, anything I want, and it will work normal. Thank you as always. Don't forget, leave a comment if you want, and below. If you need anything from us, you can contact us direct. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video if you like it. If not, tell us why.